Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I'll show you how to fix login problems and errors for Roblox Mobile. Well, actually, we can have many reasons here why we have an issue on login. But the first method that you're going to do here to fix this problem is to check your internet connection. So you can go actually download and go to speed test and try to look for your internet connection, or you can change your Wi-Fi connection into data mode or data connection. So you can try if that is the issue right here, why you can have that error on your Roblox mobile. Or maybe you can actually have to lag out all the sessions or login history on your Roblox. So you want to go here on Roblox homepage and then tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner, scroll down, then tap on settings. Then here tap on security. Then here on security options, scroll down until the bottom and tap on lag out of all other sessions. And then you can try to reopen your Roblox app if that is the way on how you can fix your login problems. But if not, you can go right here on phone settings, and right from here you need to make sure that you have an extra 1 gig on your storage on your mobile phone. And then you want to go right here on the software update. So you need to make sure that you are up to date or your Android is in up to date. And then the other method right here is to clear cache or data on your Roblox app. So go back to phone settings, then tap on apps, then tap on manage apps or apps management. Now from here, you want to search for that Roblox. So we're going to use the search box here and type Roblox. And then once the Roblox app appear right here, so all you need to do is tap on storage and then tap on clear data, then clear cache and clear all data. So after that, you can now go back to the Play Store and reinstall your Roblox application. Just try if that fixed that error on your Roblox mobile. So that's how you basically fix login problems and errors for Roblox mobile. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.